Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me just talk about the girl I met last time. She was just like I tell you now.
When I saw you for the first time, made me feel like crazy, insane. Felt like if I lost my mind. Ooh, you just look it so fine. I wanna get you, hold you, nothing else but be with you. You know, I ever found somebody with such a pretty face, nice booty, smiling all along. You really cute me, break me. That just don't what you knew. If I don't wanna go crazy, if I don't wanna go insane, beauty that you. Sunshine on me, how can it begin to me? Beauty who you, I wanna be yours and make you mine, be a slave for all the time. Beauty that you, sunshine on me, how can it begin to tell me? Who you, I wanna be yours and make you mine, be a slave for all the time.
Step one, step two.
I'm doing everything and everything in every day. I won't give up to make you understand how much I care for you, search for you since the day I saw your face. Oh, I really need you all the time. See you smile, I don't wanna lose my mind. Oh baby, who you are? You scared to tell me, know what's your name? I'm surrounded by the shame. Beauty that you are, your fire and sunshine on me. How can it begin? You tell me. I wanna be yours and make you mine, be a slave for all the time. Beauty that you light the real sunshine on me. How can it begin? You tell me. I wanna be yours and make you mine, be a slave for all the time.
Who you are now, yeah, cool as long as you are the girl in my dream. Dancing and fulfill my dream. You make me crazy, my mind is crazy, yo, you be my sunshine. Beauty when it gonna be mine.
I wanna know your name.